Luoyang Youken, Laboratory Equipment Company Limited. Established in 2019, is a professional manufacturer with export license engaged in research and development, production, sales, and service of laboratory furniture, stainless steel furniture, medical furniture, school furniture, office furniture. We are located in Luoyang City, Henan Province with convenient transportation access. One of the production bases boasts a 13,500 square meter equipped with cutting-edge machines, laser cutting machine, CNC bending machine, and so on. Quality is the core of development. The company upholds cutting-edge craftsmanship, fueling the advancement of full automatic spraying, people-oriented, technology-driven. Through continuous exploration compsolity, Luoyang Youken consistently unites all employees through corporate culture, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE, ISO certificates, etc. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements. We warmly welcome customers from home and abroad to establish cooperation and create a bright future with us together. Through continuous exploration and an efficient collaborative system, we create favorable conditions ensuring every product and service strives for perfection, exceeding your expectations. Luoyang Youken remains committed to advancing with the times and deeply understanding market demands. Pioneering advancing spatial planning, we provide comprehensive medical laboratory custom solutions, offering global clients a premium choice. Every coming expectation receives a satisfying response.